In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Zoho Mail as a complete beginner step by step. Now, if you've been thinking about using Zoho Mail to manage your emails, calendar, tasks, and daily productivity, but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the entire process, from start to finish. We'll start by creating your Zoho Mail account, exploring the dashboard, and learning how to send, organize, and manage your emails efficiently. Then, we'll use built-in tools like Calendar, To-Do, Notes, Contacts, and Bookmarks to keep our work organized in one place. After that, we'll explore important settings, create folders, manage contacts, and learn how to use search and other productivity features more effectively. We'll also take a look at integrations, extensions, and developer tools to see how Zoho Mail can be customized as your workflow grows. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the official website of Zoho Mail. Here you'll see several options to create your account. You can sign up using your email address, or continue with your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or X account. For this tutorial, I'll select the Google option. After selecting your Google account, you'll be taken to the account setup page. Here, enter your name, choose a workspace name, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Create Account. Next, Zoho Mail will ask you to enter your phone number. Enter it, and Zoho will send you a verification code. Type in the verification code to verify your account. Once your account has been verified, you'll be taken to the next step. Here you can choose whether you want to create a domain-based business email or a personal email account. Select the option that best fits your needs. After that, enter a unique username for your email address and click Create. Zoho Mail will now complete the setup process and take you directly to the Zoho Mail dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your emails and access the different productivity tools included with Zoho Mail. On the left side, you'll notice a navigation panel containing Mail, Calendar, To-Do, Notes, Contacts, Bookmarks, and Web tabs. These tools are integrated into one workspace, allowing you to manage much more than just your emails without switching between different applications. Let's begin with the Mail section, which is where you'll spend most of your time. By default, you'll land inside your inbox. Any new emails you receive will appear here. Unread messages are usually highlighted so they're easy to identify. To read an email, simply click on it once, and its contents will open immediately. Now let's learn how to compose your very first email. At the top left corner, click the New Mail button. This opens the email composer in a new tab. At the top, you'll see the From field, which displays your email address. Below that, click inside the To field and enter the recipient's email address. If you want to send the same email to additional people, you can use the CC field, while the BCC field lets you send a copy without other recipients seeing those addresses. After entering the recipients, click inside the subject field and type a clear subject for your email. Then move down to the large message area and type your email. The toolbar above the message box gives you plenty of formatting options. You can make text bold, italic, or underlined, change the font style and size, adjust text color, create numbered or bulleted lists, align paragraphs, insert links, add tables, emojis, and much more. If you'd like to attach a document or image, click the paperclip icon on the toolbar. Browse your computer, select the file you want to upload, and wait a few seconds while Zoho Mail attaches it. Once everything looks good, click the blue Send button to send your email instantly. Sometimes you may not want to send an email right away. In that case, instead of clicking Send, choose Send Later. A scheduling window will appear where you can select the exact date and time when your email should be delivered. This is extremely useful if you're working ahead of schedule or want your email to arrive during business hours. If you accidentally close the email composer before sending it, don't worry. Zoho Mail automatically saves unfinished messages as drafts. Simply click the Drafts folder on the left side and you'll find your unfinished emails there. Open any draft, continue editing it, and send it whenever you're ready. In addition to drafts, you'll notice several other folders, including templates, snoozed, sent, spam, trash, and outbox. The sent folder stores every email you've successfully delivered. If you ever need to check whether an email was sent or review something you've written previously, simply open this folder. Spam automatically filters suspicious emails to help keep your inbox clean. Trash stores deleted emails temporarily, allowing you to restore them if needed before they're permanently removed. Outbox temporarily holds emails waiting to be sent, especially if your internet connection becomes unstable during delivery. Another useful feature you'll see is Streams. This is one of Zoho Mail's collaboration tools designed for teams. Instead of forwarding emails back and forth, Streams allows you to communicate with teammates directly within Zoho Mail. You can post updates, mention team members using the @ symbol, share files, comment on discussions, and keep conversations organized. This makes collaboration much faster, especially for businesses or project teams. Now let's take a look at the calendar section, which you can access by clicking the calendar icon on the left sidebar. This feature helps you organize your schedule and keep track of important meetings, appointments, deadlines, and personal events. To create a new event, simply click the New Event button in the top left corner. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the event title. For example, let's create an event called Weekly Team Meeting. After that, choose the date and start time. Then select the ending time. If this is an online meeting, you can even include the meeting link inside the description so everyone has easy access. If you have recurring meetings, you don't need to create them manually every week. You can also add the meeting location, invite participants by entering their email addresses, and configure reminders so Zoho Mail notifies you before the meeting begins. Once everything is ready, click Save and the event will instantly appear on your calendar. This is especially useful for regular office meetings, classes, client appointments, or monthly reports. Next, let's move over to the To-Do section. This is where you can organize your daily tasks without using a separate task management app. Click the To-Do icon from the left sidebar, and you'll see your task workspace. If you're a new user, Zoho may already include a few sample tasks to demonstrate how everything works. To create your own task, click New Task. Give your task a name such as Prepare Project Proposal. You can assign a due date, set the priority level. You can also add reminders if you want. You can also add a subtask if you want to break your task into smaller, manageable steps. Simply click on Add Subtask and enter the details of your subtask. You can also add a description to your task by clicking on the description field and entering any additional information, notes, or instructions related to the task. Once you've filled everything, click on Save. Once you save the task, it will appear in your task list. As you complete your work, simply mark the task as completed, and Zoho will automatically move it into the completed section. This makes it easy to keep track of both ongoing and finished work without losing anything. Another useful productivity feature is Notes. Instead of opening another note-taking application, you can keep all your quick ideas and important information directly inside Zoho Mail. Click the Notes icon from the sidebar. Then select New Note. Give your note a title and start typing whatever you'd like to save. You can use Notes to store meeting summaries, project ideas, shopping lists, passwords, reminders, or any other information you want to access quickly later. Since Notes are integrated with your account, they're available whenever you sign into Zoho Mail. Now let's move on to the Contacts section. Every time you communicate with clients, coworkers, friends, or customers, it's helpful to save their information instead of typing their email addresses repeatedly. Click Contacts from the sidebar, then click New Contact. Enter the person's first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any additional details you want to save. After clicking Save, that person becomes part of your contact list. The next time you compose an email, simply begin typing their name inside the recipient field, and Zoho Mail will automatically suggest their saved contact information. If you organize many contacts, you can also create categories such as clients, employees, family, friends, vendors, or suppliers. This makes it much easier to locate specific people later and keeps your contact list organized as it grows. Another handy feature is Bookmarks. Simply open the Bookmarks section. Suppose you're constantly visiting the same websites for work or school. Instead of opening your browser bookmarks every time, you can save those websites directly inside Zoho Mail. Click New Bookmark, paste the website URL, give it a descriptive name. You can also add a description for your bookmark. Below that, choose the group and collection where you want to save the bookmark to keep everything organized. Once you've entered all the details and selected the appropriate group and collection, simply click the Add button to add the bookmark. The next time you need that website, you can launch it directly from your Zoho workspace without searching for it again. One feature many beginners overlook is the powerful search bar located at the top of the screen. As your mailbox fills with hundreds or even thousands of emails, manually scrolling through folders becomes time-consuming. Instead, simply type a sender's name, an email subject, a keyword, or even part of the message into the search bar. Zoho Mail will instantly display matching results. This makes locating old emails incredibly fast, especially if you've been using your account for months or years. Now, let's look at a few additional features that can help you personalize your Zoho Mail experience. Let's quickly take a look at the settings section. To open it, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you can customize how Zoho Mail works and looks according to your preferences. Under the System section, you can choose what Zoho Mail opens when you sign in. You can either have it open directly to your inbox or continue from where you left off in your previous session. Just below that, you can change the display language if you prefer using another language. You can also customize the other settings in this menu according to your preferences. However, the most important section here is integration. This area allows you to expand Zoho Mail by connecting it with additional tools and services. While most beginners won't need these options immediately, they're very useful if you want to customize or extend Zoho Mail as your workflow grows. The first option is extensions. Here, you can browse and install third-party extensions that add extra features to Zoho Mail. For example, you can integrate productivity apps, CRM platforms, cloud storage services, project management tools, and other business applications. The second option is Developer Space. This section is mainly designed for developers and advanced users who want to build their own custom integrations or applications for Zoho Mail. Here, developers can create and manage extensions, configure APIs, and test custom solutions that interact with their Zoho Mail account. If you're simply using Zoho Mail for personal or business communication, you most likely won't need this section. But it's available for businesses that want to create customized workflows and advanced integrations. As your inbox grows, staying organized becomes very important. One simple way to do this is by creating folders. To create a folder, click the small plus icon next to the folder section, enter a folder name, and select where you want to put this and then save it. You can then drag emails into that folder or move them using the toolbar whenever needed. Another useful feature is flagging important emails. If you receive a message that you'll need to respond to later, simply flag or star it. This makes it much easier to find important emails without searching through your entire inbox. If you receive unwanted emails from a sender, Zoho Mail provides options to block or report them as spam. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. As you continue using Zoho Mail, you'll discover even more advanced features like email filters, signatures, vacation replies, aliases, templates, and integrations with other Zoho applications. But as a beginner, the features we've covered today are more than enough to help you manage your emails efficiently and stay organized every day. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching!